Best practices for dogs sitting overnight. What are some questions to ask yourself before you go dog sitting overnight? Do you have experience caring for dogs? Do you have any allergies to animals? Are you comfortable being at home alone at night? Do you have trouble sleeping when there are noises around you? Tips on preparing your home for an overnight pet sitter. We often underestimate the impact that a pet can have on our home. It's not just their fur and their smell, but they also bring with them all of their belongings, which can be a lot. To make your home more welcoming for a pet sitter, get rid of any clutter or other items that may be in the way. Picking the right person to dog sit your pets overnight. The right person to dog sit your pets overnight is someone who has a genuine love for animals. The person should be able to take care of your pets as if they were their own. They also need to be comfortable spending the night at your house and not mind that they are sleeping in the same room as your pet. What are some of the best practices for dog sitting overnight? Some of the best practices for dog sitting overnight are: bring the dog's bed, toys, treats, and food. Keep them on a leash or in a carrier. Make sure they have fresh water. Give them their prescribed medications if needed. Have appropriate lighting around the home to keep them from feeling threatened. Follow the link in the description for a super tip to start earning money. Please comment and subscribe.